Deciduous trees shed their foliage each year, usually in the winter, becoming bare and taking some time to rest. Then they grow a new set of leaves in the following season, usually spring. Evergreen trees are different than deciduous trees because evergreen trees keep their foliage all the time, except to drop individual leaves as they age and replace them with new leaves. Both types of trees, evergreen and deciduous, are assets in a food forest garden for different reasons. So feel free to include both kinds of trees. A reason for every season why deciduous trees are fantastic to have in the forest garden. In autumn, they drop their leaves on the ground, providing a dependable source of soil-enriching leaf mulch. In winter, while their trunks and branches are bare of leaves, they cast less shadow onto the ground, so sunlight can reach the ground below them. So you can plant that area under bare deciduous trees to grow winter veggies like garlic, onions, and leafy greens. In spring, deciduous trees blossom with beautiful and often fragrant flowers, attracting pollinators and other wildlife. In summer, they grow many of our favorite fruits and nuts, like almonds, apples, pears, peaches, and pecans. So why are evergreen trees fantastic to have in the forest garden? In winter, they help to buffer wind speed. Their branches and leaves create friction as the wind encounters their surfaces, which resist the wind and cause it to slow. They catch raindrops on their leaves and branches and conduct the rainwater down to their root zones. They create pockets of warmth under their canopies and provide shelter during storms. The fruit of some evergreen trees ripens in winter, providing us with fresh food. Evergreen trees provide homes for birds and various wild creatures year-round. During the summer heat, evergreen trees help to absorb sunlight with their leaves, keeping the atmosphere cooler and creating pockets of shade.